This week, Heaven walked into a bar and asked for a bob cut. Look, it's confirmed. It turns out that like Zoto Abantu, Eskom is not just keeping the lights on at home, it is also trying to take care of its own. This week, Eskom appointed a new general manager to its treasury, while Zoto Abantu was looking for the general manager to her treasure. And as usual, the EFF, South Africa's very own East, was quick to overreact, making a dombolo by labeling Eskom's decision to appoint Richard Vaughan as anti-transformation, regression. And other.
To enjoy the rest of the episode, click link in bio or description and enjoy.